What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We have a nice and beautiful question on the board that we're going to be solving that says the square root of 3 plus the square root of x is equal to the square root of 15, and we're looking for the value of x. Well, our first step will be for us to move the square root of 3 to the right hand side so that we have the square root of x remaining on the left to be equal to the square root of 15. And as the square root of 3 crosses to the right, it becomes negative square root of 3. Now, to get rid of this square root, we have to take the square of both sides. So I'll take the square of the left. I'll also take the square of the right. Now, this square cancels out the square root, leaving behind x to be equal to, now look at the right hand side. It is of the form a minus b all raised to the power of 2, and this has an identity of a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. If we have to compare, you see that this a is our square root of 15 and b is our square root of 3. So let's write this in this form. So we have a squared, which means the square root of 15 squared, minus 2 times a times b, so minus 2 times a. A is the square root of 15 times b, the square root of 3, and then plus b squared, which is plus the square root of 3 squared. And now simplifying further, we have x to be equal to, now you see that this square cancels out the square root, leaving behind 15 minus, this is 2 times the square root of 15 times the square root of 3, can be written as the square root of 15 times 3, plus, now this square cancels out the square root, leaving behind 3. Now simplifying further, x becomes 15 plus 3 is 18 minus 2 times the square root of 15 times 3 is 45. Well, we can't leave our answer like this because 45 can be simplified further. So this is x equal to 18 minus 2 times the square root of 45 is same as 9 times 5. And simplifying further, we have x to be equal to 18 minus 2. This expression can be split into the square root of 9 times the square root of 5. So this simplifies further into x equal to 18 minus 2 times the square root of 9 is 3 times the square root of 5. And then finally, x will be 18 minus 2 times 3 is 6 times the square root of 5 is 6 root 5. And this is our final answer. Well, feel free to share your ideas in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video and have learned something from this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my upcoming videos. And like I always say, until next time, take care.